Searching in EasyCars. There are many different ways to search for vehicles in EasyCars. Most commonly used is the search button. Upon opening this screen, you'll notice that it says enter the stock number to find. Now, if you don't always search on the stock number and alternatively you want to search on the registration number, we cancel out of this screen, you go to the order by button. You can choose to always order your search sequence by registration number. So now when I hit the search button, it says enter the registration number to find. So if you know what that registration number is, you type that in and it'll bring that vehicle up on the screen. Now if you generally search on registration number but as a one-off you know what the stock number is, instead of changing your order by, what you can do is you can use the find button and search on the stock number instead. Another example of this would be if you don't know the stock number, the registration number or anything else about the vehicle except maybe the VIN, what you can do is you can go in here and you can search for the VIN and enter the VIN number over here on the right and then press OK and it will bring that VIN, that vehicle up that matches that VIN. Another way to search is by using the browse button. Now in the browse screen, when you open that up, you'll see a list of all of the vehicles that are in your system at the moment. At the bottom of each column you can sort your columns. It'll go in numeric order or alphabetical order depending on the column that you're querying. So if you wanted to see all of your Nissans in one area, when you click at the bottom of that column you can see the two Nissans are marked next to each other. You can hide columns in this screen. So as I hold my mouse over the top of the lines here, you'll see the line with the two arrows come up. When you click and drag that across, that's hiding the previous rego column. We don't need to see that all the time. Another one could be the account reference number. Again, we can hide that as well. Upon doing that, if you don't hit the save your layout, they will come up next time you go into this screen. So if you hit save layout, the next time we open this screen, those columns would have disappeared. Another way to search is by using the previous and next buttons. This will just go one by one through the vehicles. A little bit of a slow process to do it, but if you're just going back and forth between a couple, it's not a problem. Another one here is the first and last cars. So what that will do is that'll take you to the very first vehicle in your system and the very last vehicle in your system. If for some reason you can't find a vehicle, it could be because that vehicle is returned or it's not part of a normal everyday status that you would like to see. So what you can do is you can click on the status button and go to all vehicles and then you should be able to bring that vehicle up on the screen.